Hey guys, thanks for getting on in for today's video. I'm super excited that you can join me. We're gonna do an eye look today for fall. I've got a palette that I have held on to for months that I have not reviewed yet. So I figured I'd just hop on here and do a quick like tutorial type of video. So thank you for checking out my content for today. If you're new, I gotta do it. If you're new, hi, I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. We talk a lot about beauty, fashion, makeup, all that stuff here on my channel. So hopefully if that content interests you, then definitely consider subscribing. If you're not new, I've got the palette in my hand, but hey, what's up? What's good? Thank you for coming on back. I do appreciate the support, not only on here, but across all of my social media platforms. So thank you for stopping on by. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. Comment down below if you've had this palette, if you like it, if you don't like it. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'm going to give you kind of like what the context is for the type of like eye looks that I do. I feel like I should start doing that more in my videos because that definitely, I would say definitely, it's the choice is up to you. The power is yours. But I think it might color the way that people like interpret my videos or watch them or what they're coming to experience. And it might not be that. So I am a 20-something. I work in corporate America. I tend to work around a lot of leadership teams and high impact projects. So when I first started working, I would wear a lot of colorful kind of like eye looks because I like doing makeup. People knew that about me. I wanted to express that at work. And there was nothing wrong with it. This was about like 3 years ago. As I have grown in my career and grown in the types of projects that I'm on and just kind of in life, just kind of how I have evolved and changed now that I'm 25. I don't really like doing a lot of colorful looks anymore. So whenever I post something, I feel like people might think it's going to be like a little more done up, a little bit more pigmented. Whenever I'm filming before work, I have to wear stuff that's appropriate for where I'm at and what I'm doing and meetings for that day. So just keep that in mind when you watch my videos. I'm definitely not one of those like eyeshadow gurus that puts together a lot of super colorful stuff, but it's something that I do want to share with you guys. I'm just going to put my own spin on it. So I'm going to stop talking. I don't know. I just wanted to put that disclaimer in there because I've never actually talked about that before. So yeah. And if you like colorful shadow, like more power to you. It's just not what I really enjoy anymore. So yeah, this is the Sophie Does Makeup, Sophie Does Nails, I'm sorry. Makeup Revolution collaboration. It's been out for a hot minute. I think it's gone in and out of stock several times. It's at Ulta. I'm honestly not sure if you can buy this anymore. I will figure that out in my description. So I do apologize if it's like sold out or you can't buy the product anymore. You can recreate this look really with any palette. So it's less about the palette. It's more about the eye look I'm putting together, but I wanted to use this palette so I could do a review on it. So I'm gonna figure out what I want to do. I've got on a polka dot top. It's got black, white, and pink in it. I am doing a wear test for a NYX foundation. I don't think the color I have on is my right shade, but it is the best one. I had to do a little work to it, so I definitely feel a little kind of orangey yellow. Please excuse that. There's nothing I can do about it. I've got to finish the video, but I don't think I will be picking this up or purchasing it based on the color selection, but I do like the way that it looks on camera. We'll just see how it does in real life. All right. So yes, this is the palette. I'm going to do a couple swatches. They all have names. There's like a little insert that comes in here. So I'm just going to pick a couple. Pick that one. Ooh, that's pretty. You guys can see that. All right, I feel like my hand is super washed out on camera. So that was a brown one. I'm going to pick this pink one right here. So they're super pigmented on my hand, on my finger, I should say. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me see. There we go. Trying to learn how to focus on this bad boy. And then we'll do the gold. That one's a little scratchy. You can kind of see. And then we'll do that one. That one kind of wears down to nothing. Oh, that's a bad shade. Can you guys see that? I don't know. You can barely see it because it's not all that pigmented. And like most of it is still on my finger. Hold on. Maybe this is one of those where you need to kind of wet the brush first. I don't know. All right, we'll try and use that on my eye just so we can see how it does. But I am gonna go in. I'm gonna try and read their names to you as I'm doing them. So I'm gonna just figure out a look for today that goes with my yellow foundation. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Cup of Tea. It's this shadow right here. And I will probably turn the brightness down in the editing, so hopefully you guys can see this a little bit better. And then for primer, I have got the Urban Decay Potion Primer. It was kind of separating though, so I might have to buy a new one. So I'm just going to pop this on all over the lid. My cat is watching me. She's always watching me. I think she likes me. I think I've won her over now at this point. I've had her for a couple of months, but there are some days where I'm like, you're definitely just going to strike me in the face and walk away. And that'll be that. That'll be our morning. Okay. So one thing I've realized about my eyes is that I don't have a lot of lid space. So when I watch a lot of tutorials, like I find people take their shadow up really high, and I feel like that just doesn't look good on me. So I'm still learning how to create looks for my eye shape. I mean, that color does show up on my eyes though. It's really pretty. So I could definitely use this as like a single eyeshadow day. And not worry like about doing like a full look. It's really pretty. All right, so I like that shade. So next I'm gonna go in with the shade Mud Cake. It's this one right here. So I've seen some of her videos. I don't think I'm subscribed to her channel, but she seems like, you know, a cutie. She seems nice. So I'm sure she's happy that she got to do this collaboration. So I'm just doing something simple. I don't really have any meetings today, but I do want to start doing my makeup more. So next, oops, it's a little loud. Next with a flat shader brush, I'm going to go in, gotta clean this off. I've got a color switch. I'm going to go in. Oh, I just dropped it and now it's got color switch powder all over my vanity. Oh, that's gross. All right, let me wipe that up. Okay, so next I'm going to go in. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure this out. Next I'm going to go in with the shade Rosewood. That's not really the color I have in mind when I think of the shade Rosewood. I'm going to put this on my outer V. So, and I'll probably post a mini tutorial on my Instagram. Post that. So, like I was saying, I am going to start doing more looks again. They're just going to be appropriate for kind of like where I'm at right now. Which even like on days where I don't have any meetings, I'll probably still do my makeup because I like doing it. I feel like I look more polished when I do my makeup. There are also days where I'm like, screw this. I barely want to be in the office. So y'all gonna get what y'all gonna get. And today's not that day. I don't feel like that right now. All right. So we're going to go with this gold shade next. And the gold shade is called Grow Old. She's got these weird names. Okay. Alrighty. I'm going to put some on my brush. And let's just put it on my eye to start. I do have some glitter glue I could use. I want to see. Okay, this isn't horrible. This is my level of shimmer. I don't mind this. This is very everyday. I'll zoom in so you guys can see this, but it's not. I'm not going to wet my brush. This is perfect for work. The glitter is chunky though. I don't want to do anything super done up. I've got a lunch meeting today. Okay. I like that. I don't hate that. So I think it looks really pretty. It's a nice, simple, everyday look. I don't really know what to call this video. I'll figure it out, something. I also need to put like a little spray bottle here at my desk. I used to have one so that I can just spray the brush and pat it on my eye. But I like it. I'm going to zoom in right now. So I'm going to stand really still, kind of close my eyes, turn to one side, turn to another. All right. So I'm going to finish doing my eyes and then I'll be right back. All right. So I am back. I'll tell you guys quickly what I used on the rest of my face. I just smoked out those 3 brown shades under my eye to kind of complete the look. For eyeliner, I have the Fenty Fly Liner. It's amazing. I love it. Go get you one. And I've got the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit. Again, I love this. Go get you one. And then this, I like it. I'm not going to say go get you one because I think you can just kind of get this in like a drugstore kind of shade that's comparable and cheaper, but I do like it. It's by Winky Lux. It is the shade Candy Glaze. It just looks really nice on lips, especially the bottom lip. You can really see it. So I like that shade. Find something comparable if you don't want to spend however much that costs on that, because they're really not in a lot of stores and you got to pay for shipping. So I feel like Elf would probably have one, but whatever. And probably NYX too. So check that out. But yeah, this is the look. I really do like what I put together. I haven't done my eyes in forever, you guys. Like, it's been a minute. So I really like the way that this looks. I am gonna finish filming my other videos. So yeah, that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It also lets me know that I'm creating the right type of content. If there is a particular eyeshadow color that you would like to see next in a look like this, comment that down below. And like I said, if you haven't considered subscribing before and you like this video and other videos, please consider doing so. Alright guys, that is it. Take care, have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.